This is the third edition of the Busoga Prayer Week since 2022. As part of the plan to foster cohesion, each religious denomination will lead a regional prayer session during this prayer week. Bishop Hannington will be served as the main celebrant for the Anglican Prayer Day. Speaking at the gathering that saw thousands of worshippers, the bishop commended Busoga Consortium for leading Busoga in development in the region compared to years before when Busoga had no uniting body.
Rallying everyone in Busoga. I appreciate all the effort that have been put in the last 2 years. Kambasabe, mwemere tupire kutibumba, mungalo all effort said they did for the work, okwize Busoga no kwefulakala. These efforts are already bearing fruit, thus underlining the importance of unity and reconciliation.
He, however, challenged the Busoga to invest in the region than going for other regions which are fast growing compared to a once developed region.
But it is quite regrettable. When I say elsewhere outside this region, they will participate very actively. But when you invite them to do it in Busoga, they have excuses. And one wonders why.
Occasionally, the Director General of Busoga Consortium for Development, Mr. Anthony Mura, revealed reasons why Busoga invests in praying. He stated that the long-term goal of these arrangements is to transform Busoga into a model region for social services and infrastructure development.
Twikiriza nti okusiba Busoga eno buvunaanyizibwa bwaife twena twena abali wano.
Among other dignitaries that graced the function included the chairman of Wajiri District, Murumba Davidson, who urged all leaders to embrace the prayers activities, saying it's the only way Busoga shall transform.
Toli mulungi toyamba kuleeta nkulakulana yanamadala mu kitundu kyo. So ndi omulanga nti abakulembeze tuve mu kwerumaluma, tuve mu kulwana entalo, Busoga is bigger than all of us.
Additionally, the chairman of Busoga Prayer Week Organizing Committee, Honorable Kisa Stephen Akubalwayo, who doubles as the real member of Parliament for Ruka South, testified on the fruits from the past prayers arrangement, being unity and cohesion amongst the leaders in the region.
Baba Bishop, yakobe nti mu kusaba kuno tuyinikize ensonga eyokolera awalala, unity of purpose for development. Era eyo gye nasinzire nimpa n'obujulizi ti Baba Bishop ife baatulondera nga tuli babaka ba parliament okuva mu Busoga wano twatandika nga tuli bibaayi bibiri.
The Busoga Prayer Week, which began on October 14th with regional prayers in Kampala, will culminate in a main ceremony on October 20th in Ruka. His Majesty William Nadiope, the Chabazingo of Busoga, along with the organizing bodies, will host the President of Uganda as the chief guest. Julius Mahomza, Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.